Beshies, welcome back to our channel. This is teamhakanssonofficial and welcome to another video. So for today's vlog, I'll be doing unboxing video again, and as you can see here, we have my USB-C charger, and we have adapter and the MagSafe charger. So I just bought this today because otherwise I can't use USB-C and the MagSafe, so it works with both. So before we proceed and open the box, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time we have new vlogs. So let's get into it, Beshies. Let's open the USB adapter. Where is it open? There. It's easy to open. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see what's here. We have can you see it? It's a manual or quick start, so we don't need to read that. There you go. There it is. Oops, there it is. Oh, it's a bit. Sorry, it's a bit bigger than the iPhone adapter. Wait, I'll just get the iPhone adapter. Let's do some comparison. So this is my iPhone XS Max charger. As you can see here, it's a bit bigger than this, and this is my iPad charger. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it's working. There you go. And let's see this, the MagSafe charger, if it works to adapter too. This is MagSafe charger. This is the MagSafe charger. It looks like, you know, iPhone charger. There you go. This is my iPhone watch charger. And this is the MagSafe. Look, it looks the same. It's just that this is bigger than this. So let's put that aside. Put this at the back of the phone and let it lie there while charging. So that's it, Beshies. So that's our new adapter, USB-C and the MagSafe. Let's try this one. Yes, it works. Perfect. So that's it for today, Beshies. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you'll be notified every time we have new vlogs. So again, this is Team Hakansson Official signing off. Bye, Beshies. Be safe and be nice. Have a nice day. Bye.